Holman, you drove us to the middle of a cornfield.
Well, Greg said it was around here somewhere.
Aren't we looking for a huge building that says decked on the side?
Hey, where are you going?
I gotta make a quick pit stop.
No, we don't have time for that. It's just up here. Hey, come on, let's go.
Hey, 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 hey! Holman! 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 Oh, come on! Dude, not cool. Not
What?
cool at all.
What?
I mean, seriously, you're gonna strand me out there?
No, you're here, you got corn.
I do have corn, but it doesn't make up for decked. So where is Greg? I don't understand what we're doing out here.
I don't know, I'm looking. I don't see him anywhere.
What is that?
Hey, check this out. Huh, it's like a letter from Greg. Lightning and Holman, welcome to Decked, Ohio. A little something for you guys. Break into this crossover toolbox and the contents are all yours.
So this is the new crossover toolbox that we've been hearing about for a year and a half?
We've been talking about for a year and a half. This thing's awesome. What do you think's inside?
I don't know, but I want to get in.
Oh, yeah.
No problem, I got this.
Doing it wrong. Here, let me hold it down for you.
Come on.
This way.
I'm getting into this deck block.
Come on! No, it's not working. We have to try something else. We have to try something else.
Why would you open?
All right, I have one last idea. Oh man, it's not even destroyed.
Seriously?
Oh, hey Greg.
There he is.
Nice job, boys.
We kind of feel like we failed.
Yeah, we win, and you guys lose, I would say.
What kind of magic do you have in this toolbox that doesn't allow guys like us, after all that, to get inside?
I don't know, how do you keep a bunch of little leaguers out? Is that what you're asking?
Yeah, a little bit.
Well, bring it on inside and I'll show you guys how we make an indestructible toolbox.
Yeehaw! Giddy up! Come on now! Go on, decked! Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up!
So we figured you might want that back. Sorry about that.
Nice work, boys. What can I say? I shouldn't have maybe thrown out that last insult calling a bunch of little leaguers, but
I mean, in all fairness, it did take a half-ton truck to pull the handle off of it.
I was impressed. You guys were very persistent, used all the tools that we gave you.
Still couldn't get
You're
in.
still not in.
I mean, we went back to it and the thing's still locked. I mean,
It's not like you can get in.
We should give it like, I don't know, one more try, right?
Let's see. I dare you.
This is on the broken side too, right?
Who's the little leaguer now, my friend?
I don't know, we're not.
if you were to take any of the competitors' metal boxes and do what we did, you would see all the dents and bent metal from somebody trying to break in. You see that all the time on the highway.
Well, it's part of the inspiration, right? What could we make something out of that wouldn't do that? And so this high impact polymer resin is as tough as you're gonna get in the toolbox market. I mean, I noticed you guys did manage eventually to put one little hole here in the top, which shouldn't be a problem. There's another plate underneath there inside the lid. There's a big steel beam that goes across the face of the box. There's the aluminum girder under both lips of the box. I mean, it's a 100-pound toolbox. And there's about 20 pounds of steel and aluminum in the box itself.
This thing was bouncing in the air with a tow strap on one side, spinning and dropping. We've dropped it. We jumped on it. We used baseball bats, crowbars.
I rode it like a horse.
Yeah.
It's still nothing.
We should get rid of this thing.
Okay.
Go get a new one, and we'll actually show you how the whole thing works. Yeah. Love it, boys. Nice work.
All right.
Doing all my work for me.
Check it out.
Oh, there's the metal plate we were talking about.
Yeah, so that's a galvanized steel. We call it the hat. It's actually a torsion box. It gives the lid its rigidity so it doesn't twist when you're opening it or when you're using it. And got that cool deck coined logo on it.
What happens when the gas strut holding this up fails?
I'm glad you asked. Everyone loves and hates gas struts because they're convenient, but they also always fail. So we have spring steel torsion springs in the lid, and that actually gives the lid its assist when you're opening and closing, and those things, like, literally, they last forever.
So are these as weatherproof as your drawer systems?
So we say weatherproof on the drawers because we don't really claim it to be like Tupperware tight. But we were able, with the engineering and the molding and a really cool bulb seal and then this overbuilt lip that we've got here, it's actually waterproof. We're claiming that this is almost as watertight as Tupperware is. So it's virtually impossible to get water inside of here, even with a pressure washer.
All right, so what are these tabs that I'm seeing here on both sides of the toolbox?
We make a bunch of accessories for our drawer system to keep people this like modular storage. So these tabs actually support the D-Box, which is a really popular toolbox we make. It's right over there, I think. And yeah, and so this is the D-Box. We sell thousands of these a year. It's a great little affordable toolbox. And these tabs actually just support it. So you can keep stuff you use all the time. It's right at the top. You can just grab it and get going.
So you told us earlier that there were 5 tenets of design and engineering that you put into this toolbox, and we've only really talked about 4. Do you want to tell us what the 5th one is?
Yeah, exactly. So we really wanted to make sure we came up with something that was more durable, more weatherproof, corrosion proof, and also really more secure than what's on the market today. But the 5th thing that no other toolbox on the market offers, and we thought was really important, is figure out how to make these toolboxes accessible.
Oh, that's easy. We just stand on the tire and reach over like this.
No. What you do is you take the D-Box out, you just stand on it.
Yeah, it's that easy.
Is that it?
No, but we actually did something, I think, which is a little bit more clever than that. We built a nesting ladder into the toolbox itself. So that little aluminum piece there actually is a modular ladder. It just clips out, goes to the ground.
Oh, that is awesome.
What was cool is when it was stowed, we couldn't even tell it was a ladder, and it didn't block access to anything inside the toolbox.
So it's only like 1.5 inches thick. It gives you reach-through access to everything that's in the box itself, and it's really like you don't even notice it's there.
So what we didn't talk about was how difficult it must be to install this toolbox.
What, 1 or 2 hours?
2 minutes.
Whoa, really?
Oh yeah. So we make a really cool bracket and bolt system, and you just thread this thing in here like that, and then if you have a power tool, it just grabs the bed rail. Do that 3 more times, and you're ready for party time.
So you can't actually remove the toolbox from the bed of the truck unless this lid is open.
That's correct. So all the hardware that you need access to remove the box is locked inside of the toolbox itself, and we know how hard it is to break into it, don't we?
Yes, we do.
Hey, speaking of which, what the hell's in the other box?
I don't know, we should find out.
Wait, you have a key?
The whole time.
So Greg, what's in the box?
I don't know, let's find out, boys.
Oh, the key.
All right. Ooh, a box in a box?
Yeah, rushing nesting doll technology right there.
All right, are we gonna be excited?
Drum roll, please. Sweet!
All right.
Heck yeah!
Cheers, boys.
Cheers.
To a toolbox well done.
Well, I'm happy to say that's not all. There's one more surprise for you, so why don't you pull the truck around front and we'll send you off in style.
Ooh, more destruction?
More toolbox death?
No, not this time. Yeah, boys, thanks for coming out. That was awesome.
That was a good time, and thank you for letting us destroy your toolbox.
Absolutely.
Hey, you know you left that freshie on the back.
Yeah, you know, I was just thinking you guys might be able to take that with you and find a good home for it.
What? Seriously?
Yeah, here are the keys.
Ooh, we got decked.
Sweet!
Yeah, be good, boys.
See ya. Hey, Holman, do you think this will pass as a carry-on?
No, you're gonna have to put it in the overhead bin.